Now, the India AI Impact Summit 2026 is underway in Delhi, and Ashmit joins in with more on, what we should expect. Ashmit, good morning.
Hi, good morning, Prashant. I'm joining to you from what is the nerve center of the AI Impact Summit. That's the CNBC-TV18 Edge studio from right here at the Expo. We have been covering, we saw day one as well. It was a little chaotic, but that was what the minister, in fact, the secretary government officials have been calling was a roaring beginning. What we saw was basically a whole host of leaders descending upon the national capital. Again, the big numbers, what they're telling us, they're expecting over 2.5 lakh attendees. Big faces expected, the likes of Sam Altman, Jensen Huang unfortunately could not make it. Sundar Pichai would be here, Demis Hassabis, Dario Amodai. They will be all here as a part of the conversations at the AI Impact Summit. What's also important to watch out for is the nature of what those conversations are. One aspect that, in fact, we have been talking about in great detail has been what this dynamic is between AI, between automation, and what that means for white-collar jobs, what that means for the IT sector. That's clearly going to be front and center. Another aspect that will be front and center will be the nature of investments that we can expect. This is not an investment summit, so that is not the focus, but nonetheless, what officials tell us is that there's likely to be announcements with respect to investment commitments going forward. Mind you, the likes of Amazon, Google, Microsoft have already committed to over $70 billion for the AI ecosystem here in the country. Another aspect that will be up for conversations, and this will be a big step up as far as India is concerned, will be launching of India's own sovereign models. Now, that has been a key focus area for the India AI mission, the 10,000 crore rupee outlay that we've seen over the last year or so. What's important is that there will be Sarvam, the Indian AI company, will be releasing its 100 billion plus parameter sovereign Indian LLM. That is not the only one. Companies like Gnani AI, which have been in fact picked under the India AI mission, will also be releasing their sovereign models. And this, importantly, was a key thrust area for the government. In an era of tech sovereignty, there was a big thrust by the Indian government on ensuring that India has its own language models. India has its own architecture where it can compete with the best in the world. And to that end, we will be seeing those announcements as well. As to the other themes, we've visited pavilions. The likes of Geo Pavilion is here. We went to the OpenAI Pavilion. We went to the Microsoft Pavilion as well. A whole host of robotics are on display. We'll, of course, be getting you a sneak peek as to what this marriage between AI and robotics look like. That will be a key area that'll make some very interesting content in terms of what the future holds with respect to what some of these companies are manifesting, are displaying here at the AI Impact Summit. So clearly, a whole lot of content, a whole lot of conversations to unpack here from the AI Impact Summit. And of course, we'll be getting you all of that and a lot more from the CNBC-TV18 Edge AI studio, right at the heart, at the nerve center of the AI Impact Summit.
Indeed, conversations there will continue. Thank you very much, Ashmit, for getting us a ground report for now.